Yo, it be love when the band go. Holla, holla, band, yo. I'ma let the sands know. Sun on the dance floor. Hotter than the sandstone. Gotta let the random. Thoughts on making anthem. Minus all the fandom. What's up, everybody, and welcome to Studio 27. We're back with another Ren and Sam Tompkins reaction. We're doing LATCH Life Disclosure cover. I'm assuming Disclosure is the band, the group, the artist, because I don't know the title. LATCH doesn't ring a bell. Now, it may be one of those things where I've heard the song and I just don't know the artist, and I don't know the song title, but we'll see. Let me know in the comments. Help me in my ignorance. Also, I've been really looking forward to doing another Ren and Sam Tompkins reaction, just because I feel like it's special, right? When these two get together, there's nothing like it, and it brings out a side of Ren that, like, or maybe it's the harmony that they have or the connection that they have as artists. But I feel like it always brings out a certain side of Ren, and then Ren individually is a different thing altogether. And then, you know, the big push works together in different ways as well. But I feel like it all has its rightful, beautiful place, right? And it all works, and it's all freaking fantastic. But I feel like just talking about Ren, I feel like each scenario brings out a different side of him. When he's with the big push, it brings out one side of him. When he's with Sam, it's another side of him. And when he's just performing on his own, it brings out many sides of him. He's very multifaceted. But anyway, am I making a point here? Am I just killing time? I don't know. But if you get hyped in your chair, because the vibe don't compare. Like if you care, subscribe if you dare, and then why don't you share? And soon we be live everywhere. And by the way, does anyone know this one by heart and says it along with me? If you do, you are a nerd. But a good nerd. I'd probably do the same thing. But if you do rhyme it along with me, hey, shout out to you. You're a real one. But if you do rhyme it, it's more important that you actually do it. You know what I mean? But I appreciate it anyway. But yeah, let's jump into the video. Shout out to all the renegades. I love you guys. And I actually do not, well, I can think of one person that probably suggested this video, because it was a long list. But I do not remember it being suggested, which again doesn't mean that it wasn't suggested. It just may mean that I just don't remember it. But yeah. Anyway, let's jump into the video.
Oh, I love this song.
Love it. Oh, good.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You've been showing me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm letting go, babe. Now I know what I found. Think we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you.
Goodness.
I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
crazy.
So been captured, I've been wrapped up in your touch. Feels so enamored.
Okay, Justin.
Tight within the clutch. How do you do it? Got the news in every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat on my chest? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough.
The contrast
I
too
wanna lock in your love.
between the two voices.
Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. And I got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. And I got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you.
Huh.
And I got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. And never got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.
Yes, please. Sorry, I forgot to mention it, but yeah, please support these guys in any way you can. Follow Ren Makes Music and Sam Tompkins UK. Follow them on. I'm assuming it's the same on all platforms, but definitely YouTube. Those are their YouTube tags. I know that for a fact. But yeah, like their videos, comment on their stuff, nice comments, and show them a lot of love. But I have no idea what I was expecting. I was expecting great singing and great music, of course, but not this. This falsetto, if you still want to call it that, nasty. Yeah, freaking amazing. I'm gonna do one more Ren and Sam Tompkins reaction. So I hope I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.